Today, we've been following an Oregon judge's decision to overturn a ban on gay marriage. Well, that decision to overrule a vote of the people, highly controversial. Now, we wanted to know if this has happened before in Oregon. Lisa Balick is digging deeper. She is live from the Multnomah County building in Southeast Portland. Lisa?
Jenny, this is where a lot of people have been going in getting their licenses to get married all day long. And it is not new. In fact, what happens when Oregon votes is it can be trumped by the U.S. Constitution. In 1988, Oregonians voted to pass Measure 8, an anti-gay rights measure sponsored by the Oregon Citizens Alliance, to keep state officials from prohibiting discrimination against state employees based on sexual orientation. But that statute was ruled unconstitutional.
The Oregon Court of Appeals struck that down, said that that violated a gay or lesbian person's right of free speech, because its reasoning was that the only way anyone would know that a person is a gay or lesbian person is through their communicating that fact.
Portland attorney Charlie Hinkle tells me what voters want is not always what they get, depending on whether it violates the U.S. Constitution, the ultimate set of laws that govern the country.
The will of the people can be frustrated, if you want to use that word, by the courts, but it happens routinely.
In 1992, Oregon voters approved limiting how long state lawmakers and Oregon members of Congress should serve. But that measure, 3, was ruled unconstitutional by both the state and the U.S. Supreme Court. I asked a law professor if at a time when voter turnout is often low, does this send a chilling message? Do you think it sends a message, though, to people in the sense that their vote doesn't matter a lot of times?
I think the best way to understand it is that if you vote against someone's constitutionally protected civil rights, that vote doesn't matter.
Now again, all day long people have been coming here to get their marriage licenses, and I just stopped William and Craig here. You have the license but haven't gotten married just yet, right?
Right.
Okay, so show me this great piece of paper that you've been waiting how long to get?
Well, we've been together for 5 years, but I guess in a sense you could say if I had been heterosexual, I might have gotten married when I was 20, and that would have been 24 years ago, or 25 years ago, actually.
What was it like going in there today and getting this piece of paper?
Well, you know, since we never really had the opportunity to plan anything like this before, it was just sort of like, well, okay, here's the opportunity, let's just go in and do it. I suppose if things had been different, you know, we might have had some kind of a, you know, a ceremony. I don't know how the other half does it.
But you're going to find out for you guys. You're going to go over to the Melody Ballroom, get married here shortly,
Yeah.
And then what's the plan tonight? How are you going to celebrate?
Well, first of all, we're going to go home and take care of the animals, and then we're going to go out to dinner.
All right. Sounds like a great plan. Congratulations to be for both of you guys.
Thank you.
All right. And we will be following other people as they come out of here as well tonight. Live in Southeast Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.